For quite some time now, there have been rumors circulating about DJI releasing a new drone to succeed the widely used DJI Inspire 2, which has been a preferred option for professional filmmakers. And finally, after 6 years since the release of the Inspire 2, DJI has announced the release of the Inspire 3, which brings about significant upgrades compared to its predecessor. In this video, we will examine the distinctions between the two drones and delve into the new key features of the Inspire 3. So without further ado, let's dive in.
Looking for an animation studio that can turn your story or idea into animated visuals? Look no further than 10 Studio. Our team of experts creates animated explainer videos that simplify complex ideas and bring your message to life. Our experience can help you tell your story in a way that engages your target audience and makes them remember it. Don't miss out on this opportunity to stand out from your competition. Visit our website to know more at www.10.studio.
As we all know, the DJI Inspire series is intended for professionals. Speaking of which, Inspire 3 is designed specifically for filmmakers looking to produce high-quality 8K movies. DJI's Inspire 3 is the follow-up to the well-established and high-end Inspire 2 drone, which made its debut in 2016. DJI claims that the Inspire 3 has 20% more aerodynamic efficiency than its predecessor. Both drones share a spider-like appearance while grounded, but once in flight, the landing gear and 4 propellers swing upwards, allowing the camera and gimbal combinations to hang freely. The DJI Inspire 3 comes with the newly released X9 8K Air gimbal camera, which is specifically designed for this drone. On the other hand, the DJI Inspire 2 can work with multiple cameras including the X7, X5S, and X4S. Among these, the X7 is the most powerful camera option for filmmakers using the Inspire 2. However, the X9 8K Air offers significant upgrades compared to the Inspire 2's primary camera, the X7. Notably, the Zenmuse X9 8K Air boasts a full-frame image sensor that can record videos up to 8K RAW, with maximum frame rates of 75 FPS using the ProRes RAW license, and 8K at 25 FPS with the Cinema DNG codec. Moreover, the X9 8K Air offers 14+ stops of dynamic range and dual native ISO, making it suitable for a wide range of cinematography applications and also providing better visuals in low lights. In comparison, the X7 camera can achieve up to 6K at 30 FPS with the ProRes RAW and Cinema DNG license keys, as well as it has 14 stops of dynamic range. Both the DJI Inspire 3 and Inspire 2 offer intelligent modes to assist with aerial content creation, including Spotlight Pro, Tap Fly, and Active Track for the Inspire 2 and Waypoint Pro, repeatable routes, and 3D Dolly for the Inspire 3. However, the Inspire 3 takes these functions to a higher level, with Waypoint Pro offering advanced capabilities for flight routes and shot planning, making it especially useful for capturing complex scenes. With repeatable routes and 3D Dolly, the Inspire 3 provides a significant upgrade over the Inspire 2's intelligent modes. Moreover, the Inspire 3 offers an upgraded version of the Spotlight Pro functionality that was present in the Inspire 2. This enhanced feature provides solo creators with more shot possibilities by offering automated subject recognition and looking for people, vehicles, and boats with improved accuracy compared to the Inspire 2 Spotlight Pro. The DJI Inspire 3 is equipped with the OcuSync 3 Pro, which is DJI's most recent video transmission system designed for cinema-grade video. This system provides significant advancements in transmission distance, latency, and stability compared to the previous Lightbridge video transmission system used in Inspire 2. The Inspire 3's O3 Pro system allows for transmission distances of up to 15 km, which is a substantial increase from the Inspire 2's 7 km transmission range. The Inspire 3 allows for 4K at 30 FPS live feeds, a feature that was not available in the Inspire 2, making it possible to meet the demands of UHD monitoring and live streaming on set. This represents a significant improvement from the Inspire 2's maximum live feed resolution of 720p at 30 FPS. The DJI Inspire 3 offers a range of advanced features that improve the safety and stability of flight operations. The drone is equipped with omnidirectional obstacle sensing, which includes a new customizable function. This feature allows users to enable or disable horizontal, upward, and downward obstacle sense as needed. Additionally, The Inspire 3 is equipped with 4 advanced fish-eye cameras, one on each landing arm, which provides horizontal obstacle sensing when the landing gear is lowered. This feature is available for the first time on any DJI drone. While the Inspire 2 comes equipped with forward and downward vision systems as well as upward-facing infrared sensors, both it and the Inspire 3 possess an FPV camera. However, the Inspire 3 has an updated and improved vision that doubles the DFOV in comparison to the FPV sensor on the Inspire 2. Additionally, the enhanced FPV camera on the Inspire 3 features their improved light sensing capability, providing pilots with a clearer, more vivid view of the surroundings even in low light conditions such as nighttime. As for the battery life, the DJI Inspire 3 can operate for up to 28 minutes, whereas the Inspire 2 has up to 27 minutes of runtime. But with the Inspire 3, you get a hot swappable battery option, meaning you can instantly switch the batteries and get going with your filmmaking. Let's talk about the price. The Inspire 3, which is an 8K movie-making mega drone that is packed with a slew of accessories for a whopping $16,499, whereas the Inspire 2 is available at $9,399 with X7 Advanced Kit. Here, for the absolute professionals who want the very best results, Inspire 3 should be the go-to choice. But for those who are just having an entry into aerial filmmaking, the Inspire 2 is still a top-notch drone. In short, after more than 6 years since the release of the Inspire 2, the Inspire 3 has finally arrived, offering a significant upgrade in terms of features and capabilities. Despite the long wait, the Inspire 3 has lived up to the expectations and surpassed the high standards set by its predecessor. With advanced features such as improved intelligent shooting mode, superior safety features, RTK positioning, RC Plus compatibility, and dual control experience, the Inspire 3 is a highly appealing option for professional content creators. Moreover, its ability to capture stunning 8K footage adds to its appeal, making it a more formidable tool for filmmakers and photographers alike. Thanks for watching our video. Like, comment, and share with your friends if you find this video to be helpful, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you want more videos like this on your feed.